Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam te kasni. Ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya Fastam kalayo kajingi ki pat ba Hamadan football Malki ban pinmi shongshnong bat ban pin bori ka sarkar ban ai ka jingdawa jong ki nonghikai. Hadin kajingi ki ka Myntri Pule Puthi ba lakmen rimbui kalami thylli na marka sarkar kala khot banya kran ya ubabu jung ai hai ka sngi baar ubabu jung ai vice president jung ka fastam uyatho shikilat pathai khubor ba Myntri ulakantat banai ka no ka jingkular shakinong hikai adhok bayaki bala ong ba ka sarkar kan bishar shwai ki jung ai jingmut ba pher ha ka prathai ban pin bedrunti yaki kardang jong ki school hajalla shwaban shimrai Ubabu jung ai ulakantan baga fastam kalayeng scam halor ki jingdawa ban kantiu kadan ni kinong hikai adhok shaki deficit kumjuru halor ka deficit pattern ka bakanthop ya ka basic pay but ka dearness allowances DA ulapante balada ka sarkar ka kulari ya ka pay scale but ka tarik ban pentray kam ya ka ki nong hikai kinla ban shim ya ka sunjam ka babyang ulaong lada ka sarkar ka la ban kular yengi banadu kanu katarik lani ka shitarik kala Lincoln ken ai shangi ya ka pay skill ngindak men e tang ya kani ru ubabu jung ai ula pentip ru baga fastam kan saya selok sha bagi dekat Hamadan Malki bad hari lom garo ban shimrai ka sinjam ka bakin shim nang ni shakmat ka Myntri la kentan baga rai ban kentiu kedan ya kinong hikai adhong shaki deficit kan shong ha ka review committee bad ka jung ai jungmut jongki ken hon ba pher Lingba ka sarkar barki management committee jonggi school. Haga bakatnat Pule Puthi kadang kmi ya kakam ban pinduna ya kajingdan bun kerdan ki school.
We have got around 8,000 teachers, and there is one message we would like to send to the other teachers. If you are satisfied with what you are getting, you can stay at home and look at your mobile phone and the TV set. And if you are not satisfied, this is the time we need to come together. We have made an appeal time and time again that it is time that adult teachers in the state to forget the association we belong, to forget the group we belong, to forget the category we belong. We should come together in the name of the adult teachers who had been neglected by the government. United we stand. This is the only solution. We appeal to our fellow teachers, you please join us. If not today, tomorrow. As you all know, we will continue with the sit-in demonstration day and night here in Malki ground, and our friends from Garo Hills, they will start the sit-in demonstration on the 24th of September. There's only one thing we know as adult teachers. If we stand united, we will achieve with our demands. We will force the government of the day to come up with a policy to solve the problem once and for all. Like we are told in the very beginning, the Federation will stick with its main demand, that is upgradation of all adult schools to deficit system or the deficit pattern, that is the pay scale plus allowances. We will not stop. After a day or 2 days, if there is no response from the government, we will have a review meeting to take stocks of the future course of action. We will not remain silent. This time, we are going to fight till the end. Why? As adult teachers, we have been mentioning, we are contributing to the state in terms of education for the kids. It is high time, my friends, that we need the government of the day to recognize the service rendered by us. So we will continue with our fight. And at the same time also, we would like to make an appeal to the government of the day to please look at the problems faced by the ad hoc teachers and come up with a solution. Today, in the morning, when the Commissioner Secretary came to meet us, so he made a call to the Education Minister, and the Minister invited us for a talk. So we came here. So what happened when we came here? The first thing that the Education Minister stated is that the government and the department, they stated that yes, we recognize your service, your contribution to the state for the kids. But as of now, coming to our demand, which means that the government will still study and review the suggestions and the views given by the different associations here in the state, the views and suggestions given by the political party and even by some of the school management committee. And then after they review those suggestions, then they will come to a conclusion, which means that the department at present, they are working to reduce the number of the categories of school. That was what the Education Minister stated. So coming to our demand, the Education Minister, he said that I cannot give you the assurance now whether we will upgrade you or not. It depends on the review committee to be studied by the department and also the meeting with the different stakeholders of the state. So regarding our agitation, we will go to our teachers who are at Malki. We will let them know about the response of the Education Minister, and then we will also contact our friends in Garo Hills. Then we will leave the decision to the majority of the teachers. Because in Fastom, all teachers, they are leaders. We are just the frontline leaders. So the decision will be theirs. Whatever decision given by the majority of the teachers, we will stick with that.
So, interim measure, a few demands were there, increment of salary. So, what is it? What is the government's opinion about it?
You see, as of now, the Federation is sticking to its main demand, that is upgradation to the deficit system. If not to the deficit system, at least the deficit pattern, that is the basic pay and DA. If the government can assure the ad hoc teachers that with effect from which date, or we can see with effect from the 1st January also, that they will provide us with a pay scale, so we will be happy with that also.
So, no assurance has been given by...
No assurance, because it will be reviewed in the different meetings of the stakeholders. So we will not know what will be the outcome of that meeting, because we have got different association, categories of association. We will not know their stand, whether they will agree with what the government proposes or what they will do also.
So, you are not happy with the discussions?
No, discussion, it is good to have discussion. No, it is through discussion also that we can solve the grievances and the problems. So which means the government, the department now, they are studying our demand. So, but till date, they are yet to take any decision. It is not only the matter of the education department, because we also need, we can say here, the chief minister, being the finance minister, to take a decision on this matter also.
So you'll be continuing with the protest, or you'll wait for the government to respond?
No, it depends on the decision of the majority of the teachers. Whatever message we get from the education minister, we will take this to the majority of the teachers. Let them take the decision.
So when we will be able to know the outcome, whether you will continue to protest?
But today only,
Right.
now, if we go to the Malki playground and then we contact our friends in Garo Hills, then let the teachers take their decision.
Hello Meghalaya turns
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen, an OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world, with over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya.